Hello all my early birds and giraffe friends. In our last video we read, there was an old dragon who swallowed a knight. So let's read the first page and we'll identify the first rhymes that we hear. There was an old dragon who swallowed a knight. I don't know why he swallowed the knight. Do you remember what he said? It's not polite. So the rhyming words were knight and polite. There was an old dragon who swallowed a squire, who hollered, "That's hot!" when the dragon breathed fire. Squire and fire were our rhyming words. Next we have speed and steed. Speed and steed are rhyming words. Fire, do you remember the one we just did? Squire. Fire and squire. We'll do a couple more. Here's book, but you can sound that one out. Cook, book and cook. We've got shady and lady. Shady and lady. Here's another. Tassel rhymes with castle. Tassel and castle. We'll do one more in this group. We have throat, and do you remember what it was that the dragon drank out of? Let me show you a picture and see if you remember what it's called. Dragon drank out of the moat. Throat and moat. With all of that water, he started to bloat. And that's when the dragon roared, and I quote, "Okay, enough, I've had enough. More than enough of this swallowing stuff. Maybe I've been a tad impolite. Perhaps I should only have swallowed the night." Did you hear the rhyming words there? Bloat and quote. We have gas and amass. So do you know what this word amass means? Let's hear what the dragon said again. Then with all of the power that he could amass, the dragon burped out one last billow of gas. Amass means that he was gathering up all of the power that he could to burp. So he was gathering up all of his air in his belly to help him burp. And you know what happened next? He had that giant burp. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix them all up. I'm gonna take these cards and just kind of mix them up like this. And see if we find some that rhyme. Do you remember what rhymes with tassel? Think about it, it's a structure. It's somewhere people live. Oh, not cook, not tassel and cook. Tassel, and if you guessed castle, you were correct. Book. What rhymes with book? I think I just had that card in my hand. Book and cook. Here's another one. Moat. Do you remember what rhymes with moat? Moat and fire? No. Moat and squire? No. Did you guess throat? You're correct. Moat and throat. What was the last one that I just said? Squire rhymes with fire. So let's see if you can think of some other rhyming words that were not in our story. If I say cook, I want you to think of at least two other words that rhyme with cook. Here's a clue. The clouds are in the sky and I need to look. Cook and look. What if I grabbed a cookie off the dessert tray? There's a word for that. Took. Took, cook, and look. What about bloat? Can you give me two more words that rhyme with bloat? Bloat, and there's an animal. It starts with a G. Goat. Bloat, goat. Something that goes on the water. Boat. Bloat, goat, and boat. Good for you. Let's think of some more words that rhyme with night. Here's a clue. It starts with a F. Fight. That's right. Fight, night, right. If I put the lid on super, super tight, and when you go to bed, don't forget to turn out the light. Night, tight, right, fight. So I thought it would be fun if we told some jokes today too. We'll see if you remember any of these when we meet on our Zoom. Can you tell me, how do all of the oceans say hello to each other? Can you guess? They wave. Get it? Ocean wave. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. What do you call a cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. What do you call a pig that knows karate? What? Yep, pork chop. What animal needs to wear a wig? Give you a clue. It flies in the sky. That's right, a bald eagle. Why can't you give Elsa a balloon? Because she will let it go. What has 4 wheels and flies? A garbage truck. Why did the man run around his bed? Because he was trying to catch up on his sleep. Why are elephants so wrinkled? Because they just take too long to iron. Get it? You have to iron out the wrinkles. One of you asked me this on one of our Zooms. What has hands but can't clap? No. A clock. Okay, I've got one more for you today. How do you make a lemon drop? You just let it go. Until next time, I love you. I miss you. Bye.